everyone and welcome back to another video. And today in this video I'm going to do makeup. Something is missing. Guys, मैंने बोला था दीदी को कि सूट पे है, सूट पे अभी तक नहीं आई, कब आएंगी? तो चाबी यूज करना पड़ेगा। ये आप लेट क्यों है? सूट था ना हमारा।
वो मैं थोड़ा अपना मेकअप कर रही थी। मैं भूल गई थी कि तुम मेरा मेकअप करने वाली है। सॉरी।
ओके, तो
भगवान का नाम लेके मैं आज शहीद होने के लिए आ गई हूँ। नहीं, she has watched a lot of makeup tutorials
today only.
and I'm sure she'll be able to do a decent job at least.
I will try my best.
It's always good to moisturize first. So my skin is already moisturized, as you can see. So now we can straight away jump to the primer.
Okay. In a dotted form, na?
Yeah. Just need to take a little bit of primer on your hand and just dab it all through your face. And then you have to just smooth it out. You can use your hands for that.
Then we have to put foundation. Na?
Now, foundation is the most important part of the makeup, of the base, and which generally goes wrong. So you have to be very careful.
We are using this.
We are using MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is in the shade NC41. Although this is not my shade, but always use a damp. What you have to do is that just put this beauty blender under the tap and then squeeze the water, and then your beauty blender is good to go. Want to try?
Okay. We have to dot it.
You have to just dab it in dabbing motion. You have to do it. I'm going to avoid this type of concealer because my face does not need much of concealer. So after the foundation, we will directly go to compact. The compact powder will be used to set my base and to mattify the effect of this foundation. Remove the excess and just run it through your face. Just let it be the way it is. We will move to the. Tell me what do we do after setting the base?
Put blush.
Yeah, good. She's learning. एक दिन के मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स देख के.
My God. This was.
Yeah, use this one. Some nude, no makeup look. Then you can always use peach blushes. So
You have to smile.
and then you put it here on the cheekbones. Generally, try to put blush in this direction to give your face a lift. Since you're not using much of contouring effect, because contouring अगर इससे करवाऊँ since the blush is done now,
Okay.
what we'll do is we'll just put a little bit of eyeshadow.
Okay.
Just apply it over your eye. So guys, you can see, it's looking good?
Yeah, both are same almost.
Okay. So now what we'll do is, since this is a chota bacha, I don't want to risk my eyes with the black eyeliner or go with a winged one. What I'm doing is, I'm just using my 3-in-1. I'll just use some of it. You don't need to stretch your eyes much. Just apply it a little to give it an eyeliner effect. Some on the lower waterline as well to give it a kajal effect.
मेरे माइक पे देखो क्या हुआ है, पूरा पाउडर से हो गया इसमें. तेरा सोच रहा होगा मुझे
Okay, so we're not done with the eyes. I'm not even going to use a mascara because again, no makeup look.
Okay, then what after eyeshadow is?
Okay, so we'll use a bit of highlighter to highlight the high points of the face.
In this.
So this palette, the Maybelline palette, already has the blush and
This.
the highlighter both. Since no, you never use this big a brush for.
Okay, this. You all were thinking that everything my sister is doing because I'm not that much of, I don't know that much of. She knows because it ज़्यादा तक करती रहती है, तो इसलिए मुझे
She's a छोटा बच्चा right now. She will learn.
मुझे
Now
बस एक
again,
लिप बाम लगाने के अलावा नहीं आता.
again, I'm not going to risk my life with a lipstick and give it in her hands. I'll apply the lipstick on my own. This is one of my latest favorite shades.
It's going on.
So since again we are short of makeup fixer right now, but in case after, not just in case, since your makeup is now done and you need it to stay in place, always use a makeup fixer. Use it from a little far from your face. Do not use it too nearby or else you'll smudge your
It will
entire
go in
makeup.
your eyes.
So just use it and spray a few sprays on your face. And yeah, what we have not done is we have not covered the neck area, but the way you have covered the base on your face, do the same thing for your neck as well, so that these two things don't look different and you don't look ajeeb.
And even your ears too, don't miss
Yes,
that.
don't miss that.
Okay guys, so here we are done with the makeup.
So as you can see, do let us know in the comments how do you like the makeup which is done by Sukriti. I have only just helped her a bit, and we will come again with better makeup tutorials with more makeup products, and when my bacha here is a better pro at this, we'll bring
by
more
the way
makeup
guys,
tutorials.
you already know that I'm pro in gaming and in editing, not like I mean makeup मेरे हिसाब से just put little bit of lipstick and just moisturizer, only that. Not that compact blush and all that. And my mother is even like me also actually. So you already know that I'm pro in Minecraft, and if you don't see my previous video, I survived in Minecraft, so go and watch that. Link is in the description.
So keep waiting and watching our videos. Now Sukriti here does a great job and she's too enthusiastic about the videos that she uploads. So we will need your support. Give her more likes, shares and subscribe to her channel.
Thank you so much, Kiki.
And we'll be back with better videos for you.
Okay guys, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks, bye bye.